Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a mystery unboxing. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so okay. Would you like to explain, cameraman? Okay. Alright. So basically, my cameraman's work, they pass a Cookie Monster around, but someone lost it, so then we got a yellow bird, I think. Oh yeah, and the person who lost the Cookie Monster is Brandon, so we got this Bigfoot sticker, and then we got even more prizes in here. So we got this, and then we got this, like a collectible. And then we got Bigfoot. Then we got bubble wrap for me. So yeah, that was the unboxing. So we got, so it's coffee. And then jelly beans, marshmallows. And we got this, and we got this guy, and we got a bracelet. So yeah, and before I end today's video, I'm gonna open this, and I got this guy. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Thank you, Lisa. I love the present.